Viewers, good evening. Thank you for joining me on India Front. Rahul Gandhi's distraction comment is not lost on anyone. Keep that in mind, viewers, while I tell you more tonight. In a shocking display of naked political opportunism, Congress MP Praniti Shinde has sparked outrage with her inflammatory remarks on the Badlapur school abuse case. Her call for protesters to burn down the place is a recipe for disaster, endorsing mobocracy and anarchy. This is not a demand for justice, but a reckless attempt to incite passions and exploit a heinous crime for political gains. Shinde's statement, viewers, exposes the selective outrage of the Congress party. While the Kolkata rape and murder case elicited mere token condemnation from Congress leaders, the who's who of the Congress party, the Badlapur case has seen a disproportionate level of outrage and urgency. This hypocrisy is appalling, revealing a political agenda that prioritizes opportunism over genuine concern for justice. Viewers, inciting violence and arson is never an acceptable solution, no matter how grave the crime is. Political leaders must not fan the flames of passion, but rather guide the public towards constructive action. Congress MP's remarks are a stark reminder of the dangers of political opportunism, where leaders prioritize power over people and anarchy over justice. Sample this.
मैं तो कह रही हूँ प्रोटेस्ट तो बहुत सभ्य था, वहाँ पे तो आग लगानी चाहिए थी। मैं तो कह रही हूँ प्रोटेस्ट तो बहुत सभ्य था, वहाँ पे तो आग लगानी चाहिए थी। मैं तो कह रही हूँ प्रोटेस्ट तो बहुत सभ्य था, वहाँ पे तो आग लगानी चाहिए थी। मैं तो कह रही हूँ प्रोटेस्ट तो बहुत सभ्य था, वहाँ पे तो आग लगानी चाहिए थी। मैं तो कह रही हूँ प्रोटेस्ट तो बहुत सभ्य था, वहाँ पे तो आग लगानी चाहिए थी। मैं तो कह रही हूँ प्रोटेस्ट तो बहुत सभ्य था, वहाँ पे तो आग लगानी चाहिए थी। विकृत मानसिकता है लोगों में बाहर आ रही है, क्योंकि सत्ता में जो है वो इसका समर्थन कर रहे हैं।
आज प्रोटेस्ट हो रहा था वहाँ पे,
मैं तो कह रही हूँ प्रोटेस्ट तो बहुत सभ्य था, वहाँ पे तो आग लगानी चाहिए थी।
लाठीचार्ज की गई।
देखिए यही है ये जो सत्ताधारी, हम तो डीसीएम जो होम मिनिस्टर है उनका रेजिग्नेशन मांग रहे हैं। जो लड़कियों के लिए आते हैं उनके ऊपर लाठीचार्ज की जाती है।
You heard the comment. Let's quickly open this up. Shweta Shalini, spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Dr. Anand Ranganathan needs no introduction. Susie Ben Shah, spokesperson of the Shiv Sena Shinde faction. Sajid Supariwala, leader of the Shiv Sena Uddhav faction. Tausif Ahmad Khan, lawyer, political analyst. Janardhan Chandurkar, former president, Mumbai Congress, completes the panel. Dr. Ranganathan, before I start with the Congress spokesperson, I don't know what to say. While I can understand the anger and outrage for justice, to say that aag laga deni chahiye, what are we talking about?
Good evening, Pranesh, and good evening to my fellow panelists. What we are talking about is exactly the Congress's modus operandi that it has been executing for decades. May I remind you, what is it the Congress leader Shivraj Jivon said during the Hathras rape incident? I quote him now, quote, "Two people should die from each side. A leader should die or some common man should die. Rahul Gandhi will come to the scene only after bullets start flying," unquote. This is in the wake of one of the most gruesome rape incidents. So I'm not surprised. Time and again, there have been Congress councillors, MPs, MLAs who asked for riots to happen. Mr. Jagdish Tytler in Odisha was just one example. There was a councillor in Rajasthan who said, "Police station jala do," if you remember. So this is nothing new. What is shamelessly new and hypocritical is that the Congress has been conspicuously silent on the matter in Bengal, especially of all days today, when, thanks to you, Pranesh, and Times Now, shocking revelations have come out regarding the former principal of this SG Kar Medical College. And please give me 30 seconds because this is important. It is related to this and it exposes the hypocrisy further, because it is the same Congress that was holding aloft on its shoulders all the whistleblowers. I remember during the PNB scam and everything, why no action was taken when whistleblower talked about the large-scale corruption? Well, here, Mr. Akhtar Ali, the whistleblower of SG Kar Medical College, has been saying that the principal was taking 20% commission on tenders. The principal was selling used medical syringes and gloves and medical equipment off to Bangladeshi nationals. The principal was selling dead bodies, cadavers. He wrote to the State Vigilance Commission. You know what happened? He was transferred. This is the state. And where is the Congress now? That is the state of Congress. So I'm not surprised, Pranesh. I'm not surprised at all.
Okay. Let's bring in Mr. Chandurkar. Chandurkar ji, protest, call for justice, dharna, pradarsan, ये सब तो जायज है. ये क्या नया न्याय मॉडल है कि आग लगा देनी चाहिए?
The Congress is a party that is interested in keeping the country in a welfare state. And Congress has never gone to the way of violence. Congress has always condemned violence. You know, corruption, violence, and all these things are erupted in the country only after the advent of Modi government. And what has happened yesterday in Badlapur, you know, our president, Maharashtra Congress has stated that we are protesting against this present government of Shinde and even at the center because there are some 20,000 cases, 21,000 cases of rape and all such things which have been hidden by the state of Maharashtra government under the Shinde and this BJP rule.
But Janardhan ji, आप आग लगा देंगे क्या? Is that the solution?
21,000 let them speak on this.
No, you, sir, ask questions by all means. And I have a list of questions that I will put across to Susie Ben, who is the spokesperson of the Shinde Sena. But we will come to that. But what are you defending? Is this not a recipe for disaster? आग लगाने से किसका भला होगा? कहाँ आग लगानी चाहिए? And how is this? आप बोल रहे हैं कि the Congress is for Congress stands for Congress. 1 minute, Mr. Janardhan, hear me out, sir. You began by saying Congress stands for peace. How is this peaceful?
It is a distortion of the fact. Congress is never likely to say aag lagao. Congress is already interested.
Let's play it out, sir. We tried playing it out 5 times. We knew that, you would call it a distortion. Let's play it out. एक बार फिर से सुनिए जनार्दन जी. Distortion बोल रहे हैं, आप सुनिए ये.
मैं तो कह रही हूँ प्रोटेस्ट तो बहुत सभ्य था, वहाँ पे तो आग लगानी चाहिए थी. मैं तो कह रही हूँ प्रोटेस्ट तो बहुत सभ्य था, वहाँ पे तो आग लगानी चाहिए थी.
ये सुना आपने? ये डिस्टॉर्शन है, डिस्ट्रैक्शन है, क्या है ये?
This is not a provocation.
What is this?
It is a way of expressing the extreme anger, and expressing extreme anger is not necessarily translated into action.
Okay.
Other people will never agree, and she will also later on never agree.
Let me remind you of another. 1 minute. Let me remind you what a Congress leader had said very recently. Janardhan ji, 1 minute. एक बार सुन लीजिए. सज्जन सिंह वर्मा है, फॉर्मर मिनिस्टर इन द कमलनाथ गवर्नमेंट. उन्होंने ये कहा था, वो भी रिएक्शन है. 2 दिन से टीवी पर आप देख रहे हो कि बांग्लादेश की जनता शेख हसीना की गलत नीतियों के कारण प्रधानमंत्री आवास में घुस गई. याद रखना मोदी जी, ये जो जनता सड़क पर हिलोरे ले रही है, एक दिन तुम्हारी गलत नीतियों से तुम्हारे प्रधानमंत्री आवास में घुस जाएगी, कब्जा कर लेगी. ये क्या है सर? ये भी डिस्टॉर्शन है, डिस्ट्रैक्शन है. ये क्या है ये? डॉक्टर रंगनाथन, व्हाट इज दिस?
Pranesh, I already gave 3 examples. Let me give 3 more. I already talked about Shivraj Jivon because the erudite Congress spokesperson refuses to believe any evidence, saying that Congress never done this. I quoted Shivraj saying, quote, 2 people should die from each side, a leader should die, or some common man should die. Rahul Gandhi will come to the scene only after bullets start flying. Can I give 2 other examples? Congress leader Pradeep Manjhi, he was caught red-handed inciting riots in Odisha in the wake of another rape case, ordering quoting him again, keep diesel and petrol ready. Once you get directions, set everything on fire, unquote. Shall I quote Congress leader Shakuntala Khatik? She was caught red-handed in June 2017, ordering a mob to burn down a police station in Mandsaur. These are real incidents. They have been videographed. कब तक कहेंगे कि ये झूठ बोल रहे हैं?
जनार्दन जी, आप ना ये कंडेम कर रहे हैं, आप उसमें कॉन्टेक्स्ट इंजेक्ट कर रहे हैं. अब आप सोच लीजिए आप कहां लेके जाना चाह रहे हैं देश को. सर, ये कोई मोहब्बत की राजनीति नहीं है.
right way.
Right way. This is the right way, by setting things on fire. No. So 1 minute. Mr. Janardhan, if I disagree with you, if the anchor disagrees with you, क्या बोलोगे? जला दीजिए, स्टूडियो जला दीजिए, एंकर को जला दीजिए.
How can I say that? I am not a fool. I am not a fool.
Praniti Shinde is a fool. Your member of parliament is a fool.
You provoke me to say things like this.
Oh, now I am provoking you to say things like that.
That makes people to say these things.
Oh, so you're justifying it. There you go.
They are at all said.
Okay.
They are said in a
Sajid Supari wala.
But that is not the intention.
You must be very happy. ये तो वही है, उखाड़ दो mindset है. Translated from Uddhav Sena to Congress. वो बोल रहे हैं जला दो, आप बोल रहे हैं उखाड़ दो.
We are very, 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 very shocked that you are discussing a Congress leader of Jalado. You should be discussing the rape of 2 4-year-old girls. There was a time. Where are we going back? Are we going back to the Stone Age? Are we going back before the Stone Age? We should be very angry on the rapes happening rather than what a leader has quoted or unquoted or quoted. What we are talking about, we should be worried about where our country is leading to, what is happening in our country. The women panelists over here, they must be having so much anger themselves, be it from whichever party. We are talking about justice here. Justice is delayed. It is justice denied. I have time and again said that. Now there are going to be 60 days for the justice to be done for the Badlapur rape. Can't people even mouth their anger? They are not going to really go and burn something. Can't people mouth their anger?
Okay, this is an expression of anger. Okay. Let's bring in the Shiv Sena spokesperson, Suzy Ben Shah.
Outcry.
Ms. Shah, the Chief Minister is saying that people who are protesting are part of a larger conspiracy. Really, ma'am?
No, it's surely an act of vandalism, number one. I was there at the site. I'm also chairperson of Child Right Commission. And no sooner my women and child officer told me, I was in Badlapur having a preliminary investigation at the school, meeting all the person concerned, be the management of the school, the principal, WCD, the police, everyone, the works, to find out where was the latches and where were the delays. So the stone pelting started. Yes, democratic protest is the right of everyone and it should be done accordingly. But when you start pelting stones, big stones at the instance of the police, it is just not done. There was vandalism. The station was ruined. There was stone pelting. What are we talking about? And yes, when our CM sir says that it was instigated, it was instigated. It was a political motivated and instigated protest.
Are protests in Bengal politically motivated, instigated, ma'am?
But I will tell you this, there are NGOs who draw our attention, and I'll tell you with a lot of confidence today, and I'm happy that today Samna mentioned in their paper, in their opening article, how the Child Right Commission immediately swung into action when we knew that there were delays.
Ma'am, look, I am not here to give certificates. I am sorry. I am disturbed, and so is the nation disturbed by the details emerging out of Badlapur. If you want me to hand over certificates to the child rights or whatever commission you're talking about, I am in no position to do that. I will list the lapses. Delay in filing FIR in POCSO case. Parents were made to wait for 11 hours. 11 hours.
I agree. And I'm equally concerned and anguished. So that is the reason I agree it is indefensible. So today, this morning, I had a press conference. I'm equally anguished. I'm a woman, I'm a mother, I'm a grandmother. So therefore, I'm anguished, and therefore today I've made a plea, I've sent a recommendation.
No, the recommendations, ma'am, ma'am, with due respect, Ms. Shah, I understand. Look, I understand. No.
There has to be a constructive way forward. It cannot be vandalism.
But
it
ma'am,
cannot be
no,
fire,
1 minute. There are two different things.
That's not the way forward.
Vandalism, provocation, I started with. Let me tell you about the lapses and why the lapses are concerning. I'll tell you, ma'am.
So the lapses, gentlemen, give me a few minutes. We are not a banana republic. There is a proper natural justice which have to be followed. Show cause has to be given, which I have done. I principally told the management and secretary of the school why POCSO should not be levied.
No, 1 minute. Ms. Shah, you are speaking in capacity of the chairman, Maharashtra State Commission for Protection of Child Rights. 1 minute. You are also representing the party. The chief minister of the state needs to answer. I'll tell you why. Because the cops were sacked only after public outrage. Nothing had been done.
No, immediately an SIT was formed. Ujjwal Nikam, who's a leading public prosecutor, was nominated. We believe in action. We believe in getting things done, giving justice. Trust me, political will is with the Maharashtra
They have not been sacked, ma'am. I just want to correct you. They've been suspended. But no, 1 minute.
Yes, pending inquiry.
No, 1 minute. Let's get in the BJP. Shweta Shalini, the opposition wants the Home Minister Devendra Fadnavis to resign.
Pranesh, because now I've come at this point in the debate, there are a couple of points that I want to answer before I come to your point. Point number one, please understand that we started with Praniti Shinde's statement. Please understand the ladki hoon, lad sakti hoon kind of a model. It is a typical model of convenient amnesia of the Congress, where they do not talk about or go to Ayodhya when a Moin Khan, rapes a minor. They do not talk about Bengal, and when a journalist asks him about Bengal, he talks about it as distraction. Now, it is exactly this Nyay model that Congress follows, and that is what Praniti is talking about. Now, having said this, please understand, when you ask the question whether this mob was instigated or not, of course it was instigated. And people like Praniti Shinde are part of the instigation team. And there is a complete nexus which was working. But yes, having said all of that, there is immense anger in this case. I'm a mother, I'm a woman myself, and I understand grave injustice has happened. And because post the incidents, now governance comes into play. We have taken the action in the right direction. SIT was appointed.
The action was delayed. 1 minute. Shweta Shalini, let me ask you a direct question, and then I'll bring in Dr. Ranganathan once again for context. Because look, this is not about political parties. I am not interested in what the BJP, Shiv Sena, UBT, whatever you have, TMC. Look, what are we discussing? Even girls are not safe. School girls, 2-year-olds, 3-year-olds, 4-year-olds. You were demanding the resignation. 1 minute. You were demanding the resignation of Mamata Banerjee in West Bengal. Do you think the Maharashtra Chief Minister should resign?
Please understand that there is no tampering with the evidence that has happened in Bengal.
Okay.
What actually happened was delays, and hence the people were suspended. SIT was initiated. Ujjwal Nikam ji was appointed. A lot of law changes have been happened at the school level, at the academic level, where now the management is going to be henceforth responsible for any incident and should be mandatory to report it within few hours.
Okay, let's bring in.
All these actions are actually governance oriented and needs to be taken. Now that this incident has happened, we have taken action.
Okay, so you believe,
and this is a government.
This is not as grave. The lapses are not as grave as the lapses in Bengal. Sajid Supariwala, do you want Chief Minister Shinde to resign?
There is no cover up.
He has to resign.
Do you want Mamata Banerjee to resign for Kolkata rape and murder?
Statement. You are a mother. You said you should be worried about the safety.
1 minute. Sajid Supariwala. 1 minute. I'm talking to you. Sajid Supariwala, you believe Shinde should resign, Chief Minister should
course.
resign? Do you
Of
believe
course,
Mamata
the law
Banerjee
and
should
order has
resign?
gone for a toss.
Should
The law and
Mamata
order has
Banerjee
gone for a
resign?
toss. Has to resign. Has to resign.
Should
Has to
Mamata
resign.
Banerjee resign? Will you ask for a resignation?
Whoever has not been responsible should definitely they should go into that. But we are talking about Maharashtra right now.
Now, we are talking of Maharashtra. There you go, Dr. Ranganathan. Dr. Ranganathan, we are talking of Maharashtra right now. Don't bring in Bengal.
Right now.
This is the issue. This hypocrisy. Mr. Sajid, I didn't interrupt you. You want Mr. Shinde to resign, but you are saying let the law take its own course in Bengal. This is your hypocrisy. But I want to come back to this BJP issue, Pranesh, because you've actually, put your finger on the nub of the issue. I have a very simple question to ask. When did the incident happen? When was the FIR filed? Whoever will give the answer, I will have a follow-up question. According to the POCSO Act, the FIR has to be filed within 5 hours. And if it isn't, the person who doesn't file the FIR has to be in prison for 6 months. So it's a simple question to my good friend Shweta ji. Have the police officers been put in jail for 6 months? Yes or no? Please answer.
They have been suspended, Anandji. We
Suspended
realize that
is
there has
different,
been
Shweta ji, sorry.
a lapse.
Sorry.
We realize there has been a lapse and action has been taken. They have been suspended and maybe they will lose their job.
To be heard. You can't just dish out punishments for that.
Of course, it's a clear violation,
It's a
ma'am.
law.
It's a clear lapse.
But he should
The
be
law is
heard.
clear.
It's a
In
law.
POCSO cases, what are you saying,
It's a
Ms. Shah?
law.
You are the chairperson of the MSC
Yes, I
PCR.
agree.
And you are
But
saying you can't
whether
dish
it
out
be-
punishments like this. In this
No,
case,
whether
it
it
is as
be-
clear as daylight.
No. But you have the rules of natural justice. Person should be heard. We are no banana republic.
No,
Whether
no,
it be the school, hear me out, please. Pranesh, whether it be the school, whether it be the police station, whether it be the DYSP, everyone will be accountable. Everyone will lose their job, or a POCSO Act will be acting on them.
You are not answering the
Rules of
question.
natural
The
justice.
delay.
No, we cannot.
The delay is
just
clear.
cause-
There was a delay of 11 hours, which is a clear violation of the POCSO Act, what Dr. Ranganathan is saying.
But
What
you
action
know-
have you taken?
but
Token action.
according-
1 minute. And I am telling you, had those people not sat outside on the railway tracks in protest, it does not justify their anger. You can't, hold the city to ransom. But had this kind of outrage not been seen, I don't know what would have happened to this policeman, because till the protest began, the action wasn't taken. Tausif Khan, do you want CM Shinde to resign?
Look, this is not so much about the politicians and politics. It is about the menace that we are facing in the society today. Certainly, the BJP guys, the BJP leaders, the Maharashtra Chief Minister pressured the police. They tried to portray that the rape and the sexual assault and all these sexual predators and all these perverts are only present in non-BJP states. And therefore, there was a delay. There was a full attempt not to lodge an FIR. The police, the family, the parents of the girls, the two kindergarten girls, they lodged the complaint, and it took the Maharashtra police 12 hours to file an FIR. What does it show? It shows a clear attempt to suppress, a clear attempt to protect the perpetrators
I
of the
agree with
crime.
you,
And that's
Tausif.
a
I
very
agree
wrong
with you.
message
Let's
that
hold the Chief
political
Minister
class is
responsible.
sending. It's a hypocrisy. It's a
Yeah,
hypocrisy.
let's ask for Chief Minister's resignation. I am backing you. Why don't you ask for Shinde's resignation?
Why only the resignation of the concerned police officers in the police station? Likewise, I have supported that yes, in Kolkata police they did not answer some questions, and they need to answer that, and it is now the
Not some questions.
of the CBI to
No.
arrest.
Tausif,
Whether it
not
was-
some
it is the
questions.
police officers
Look,
who tried to cover up.
I can understand the political
100
compulsions
questions.
with which you are
But
speaking.
the
The
same
reason
law-
you
the
do not
same law
want
applies to
CM
BJP
Shinde
states.
to resign, because the
No, there's
moment
no
you utter
political
those words,
compulsion.
you will
This
have
is
to
a
apply the
societal
same yardstick on
compulsion.
Mamata
No, please do not
Banerjee.
trivialize
Dr.
this.
Ranganathan.
I request
Bhai-
you not to
Tausif
trivialize
bhai-
this matter. It's a disease,
No, but,
and this
Tausif bhai,
disease
please, I
should
didn't
not be
interrupt you.
trivialized.
Tausif
Let
bhai,
us be
please, I'm
very
dealing with
fair.
only...
Let
yes.
us rise above
Yes.
politics on this issue.
Yes, let us rise above politics and deal with only facts. Let me just tell you the facts. The facts, as yesterday reiterated by none other than the Bengal Council, Mr. Sibbal, in front of Supreme Court, was that the FIR was filed 10 hours after the autopsy took place, 3 hours after the body was handed over for cremation. And the first respondent was not the principal or the hospital. The first respondent was the father of the deceased. The father of the raped and murdered doctor was the one who filed the FIR. What can be more shameful than that? The principal was missing. And I ask you, when you say let's not politicize, who is the health minister of Bengal who then rewarded this same principal with the headship of Calcutta's most iconic medical colleges? Please answer that. Am I politicizing this?
Anand, are you suggesting that BJP state does not suffer from this disease? BJP state
is this your response, Tausif bhai?
Sexual predators.
Did I not ask BJP spokesperson even more
why are you
questions?
defending Shinde? Why are you defending Shinde?
Nobody is defending Shinde. I am saying ask for Shinde's resignation. Tausif, 1 minute. I am telling you, 1 minute.
Every person's blood.
I am telling you, Chief Minister Shinde and Home Minister Fadnavis must quit. I am telling you, they must take accountability and quit. Will you apply the same yardstick in Bengal? Ask Mamta Banerjee, because there you have the CM and the HM is the same person.
Yes, yes. Yes, Mamta Banerjee in Bengal from day one said that she stands with the protesters.
Stands,
from
nahi, will she step aside?
Is justified. What is Eknath Shinde doing? Arresting people. 24 hours, 70 people arrested. 70 protesters arrested within 24 hours. That is Eknath Shinde. What is Mamta Banerjee doing? She said in the first day and repeated it again that the protesters are justified, the anger is justified. She never went against protesters. And in Maharashtra, within 24 hours...
Okay, let me rephrase my question. Tausif, 1 minute. This is going... No, 1 minute. Tausif, 1 minute. I understand the point you're trying to make. 1 minute. Just answer this simple question. Do you endorse the comments made by Praniti Shinde?
Absolutely. That's an expression of anger. Absolutely, I endorse that. That is an expression of anger, and if the message is not loud and clear...
So, setting fire... No. Setting things on fire is okay. Dr. Ranganathan, setting things on fire is okay, but peacefully protesting outside the college is not. Even if you were to make a comment about the state of policing, law and order in Bengal, a notice will come your way, but this call for arson is okay.
No, with due respect to my good friend Tausif bhai, this is shocking hypocrisy. On one hand, the West Bengal government has also arrested 40 to 50 people in Bengal. But he is saying in Maharashtra, the police should not arrest people who are
creating all the ruckus. ये कैसी hypocrisy है Tausif bhai? ट्रॉल में आपने आपकी पुलिस ने अरेस्ट किया है, महाराष्ट्र में कह रहे हो वो प्रोटेस्टर्स हो गए. Have you seen the videos?
People are protesting because the FIR was not lodged.
Why are people in Bengal? Because justice was dispensed quickly. Tomorrow you will justify the mob violence in Arjitar, the vandalism by the mob.
No,
you will say that this is an expression of anger. Why is that not an expression of anger, you tell me?
In Bengal, people are protesting. Even... So
if people start pelting stones, is that okay?
Various people are walking the streets and are protesting.
Mr.
And
Khan,
no one is arresting them.
if people start pelting stones, is that okay?
Why? Because CBI is inaction. CBI is complete failure. The BJP Bengal governor has a charges of sexual harassment against
Nothing
him.
stops you. Go arrest him. Take action against him. Arrest him. Go to court.
BJP has not removed
Who's
Bengal
stopping you from doing it?
No.
Nothing stops you. Go to the court. Do whatever you can constitutionally, legally. Take action. But that can't be your defense. Look, you are justifying mobocracy. And while you are at it, you can't justify the things done by the Mamta Banerjee administration. I don't know. You know, Tausif Ahmed Khan, Janardhan Chandukar, Sajid Supariwala have all justified this call for arson. Aag laga do.
Not said that. Let me come out. Let me complete. I have always maintained that it is a public outrage. It is a show of anger. it should not be put into action. You should ask these questions to the parents whose child has been raped. He will also or she will also say the same thing, because it has been heard. They are not getting justice. For the sake of justice, if people are trying to rage out their anger,
are you
it should not
serious?
be taken into
Are you
consideration.
serious? 1 minute. You didn't hear me correctly. I am saying go after the chief minister, ask his resignation.
So what are we asking?
Will the parents
We are
not
doing
be happy
that.
with that? But you
We are ready
can't,
to-
because then
we
you
are
will have
happy.
to answer on Mamata
We are
Banerjee.
happy. We should-
That's
it
the
should
hypocrisy of this India alliance. Because you see, some things are distraction.
protesters-
Some things are politically convenient. यहाँ पे provocation is justified.
The
वहाँ
protesters-
distraction है.
1 minute. Instead of the rapist getting arrested and being filed FIRs, the protesters are being handled cases. The protesters are being filed FIRs against. What the hell
What
is
has
this going
happened
on?
in Bengal, sir?
Why cannot it happen here? Can't even people peacefully protest?
Of course
Can't
they
even
must.
Peacefully
They
demonstrate
must.
their anger?
But peacefully, you're saying it yourself, Dr. Ranganathan. I've run out of arguments. I don't know what to say, sir.
No, I'm also rendered speechless, sir. Everyone is, you've heard our comments. Every one of us obviously stands with the people who are the victims here,
Anger.
including the parents of this ghoulish act. But for you to say that stones were not pelted, that arson was not committed,
anger.
and those who committed, sir, I did not interrupt.
Anger. You
Sir, I
cannot say that you cannot.
I did not
you
interrupt.
can't even-
Let him peacefully
can't
at
even
least
be
speak.
democratic.
Sajid Supariwala, let him speak peacefully.
Sajid bhai, please do not fling stones at me, at least here, digitally. What I'm saying is, yes, right to protest is there and it should always be there. But right to protest does not include pelting stones, setting things on fire, hurting people. So please, let us make a distinction between people who are protesting peacefully as they should and must,
But
and people who are rabble-rousers and indulging in
what the
violence.
parents must be going through of those children. Are you not, from inside, are you not angry? Don't you want to vent out your
So
frustration?
I am angry.
Don't
What
you
should
want
I
to vent out
do?
your
Pick
anger?
up the gun.
killing
1 minute.
people.
What do you do when you get angry? Pick up the gun, start shooting at people.
No, you
Then?
scream, you debate, you talk.
So
or you
we are doing that.
democratically
But you
saying.
won't. But if you disagree with Dr. Ranganathan, will you go shoot him or set him on fire? What will you do?
I will explain. I will argue with him till
Praniti
he
Shinde is
understands
arguing.
till he understands my position, till he understands what I'm going through.
Janardhan ji saying
We are
you
talking
can't
about-
provoke
we are not
people.
talking about Mr.
Tausif
Ranganathan.
is saying
We are
yes, he
talking
stands
about
with the
those
comments.
kids who have been
Let me
raped.
go back to Janardhan
They
ji.
should be
1 minute.
developed.
He's had time to think through what he said in the beginning. Janardhan ji, here's your chance to redeem yourself, sir. People are watching.
No. There
Do
is
you
no
do you
question
still
of reading.
endorse
In
what Praniti
democracy,
Shinde said?
Protest and agitations is a right given by the constitution, and I agree with you. As you say, it should be done peacefully. And those people, those politicians to whom you have referred as setting fire or doing this and
I understand, sir. I'm glad that you've at least, revised what you said. इसीलिए लोग बोलते हैं think before you speak. You have had time to think. Now you are making sense. Now let me ask you a direct question. Do you want the Maharashtra Chief Minister to resign for the lapses in the Badlapur case?
First of all, I condemn the Chief Minister of Maharashtra saying that there is a political angle to the Badlapur incidents. I would like to submit the fact that the parents of the children, both the children, when they went to lodge the FIR,
Right.
a Manse activist went to the parents and they staged a demonstration.
Right.
As soon as the Manse activist,
I agree with you, sir. I agree with you. The Chief Minister must own up. Now let me ask you part 2 of the question. 1 minute. Will you condemn Mamata Banerjee for her Ram Vam comment? वो भी बोल रही थी conspiracy है.
Unless the facts are clear.
Yeah, until facts clear, not clear. You see, Shweta Shalini, while you must own up for the lapses in Maharashtra before you ask questions of Mamata Banerjee, look at what the Congress is doing. It was distraction for Rahul Gandhi in Bengal. But look at Mr. Janardhan, What is he saying?
Pranesh, when Anandji asked me the question, I actually said that there was a lapse and hence people have been suspended. Having said that, I just heard a lot of panelists talk about that there have been arrests in Maharashtra. There have been arrests in Bengal as well. In fact, a lot of people from so-called ministers from Bengal have gone ahead to say, "Ungli dikhaya to ungli tod denge." Some ministers have gone on record to say that maybe protest ke bahane boyfriend ke sath ghumne jati hain. All these things have actually not happened in Maharashtra, which is not, I'm not comparing. This is not comparing at all. We cannot compare incidents. But as far as governance is concerned, we need to compare governance. We need to compare governance and find out the best practices so that incidents like this do not happen.
No, but in this case, Shweta Shalini, I'm sorry to say, best practices were not followed. There are lapses and the state must track down heavily and set an example so that when people from the BJP appear on panel, they can say, look, we've took action. Dr. Ranganathan just read out what the law says. If the case falls under POCSO, the law is clear. So let's just rise above politics and walk the talk on securing our betis. Let's move on, viewers.